You know, one of the fundamental things that we think has made a huge difference for us as a company is really the establishment of foundational partnerships. And what really comes to mind when we talk about partnerships is the importance of that as it relates to small businesses. Small businesses that are being featured this year really have been integral to achieving Vision 2020. They play a make or break role every day in the execution of our work.
The thing about UCOR, they have broadened my company scope, because we do anything from a project that we just did where we did winches to tear down a building. And the winches were, 58,000 pounds a piece, and to see the building come down with the winches was really, it was really cool actually, just to say, and then the support of UCOR and other companies within Oak Ridge, it really just magnifies of what, small businesses can do for the community and these companies. And it doesn't have to be, a Fortune 500 company. It can be, a company like myself where I have no employees and it's just me, but you're supporting a company like UCOR, and it just works well together, and they have that confidence in you, and that builds your confidence, and then you're able to, from a financial standpoint, work in the community and give back. And so it's just really important to support small businesses and what they can do for larger companies like UCOR.
Steel Plate Fabricators is a 4-generation training on a 5-generation family business. We have employees here that have been here 40 to 50 years currently, that literally came here from high school. We value each and every teammate that we have, and it's very important for us to continue to grow. We've got children of employees that work here, nephews, nieces, and things like that, to help keep our values strong. The role that Steel Plate Fabricators has in the community is very important to us, whether it be from schools to nonprofits. It is what keeps the wheels turning, what makes Knoxville and East Tennessee so rich. I'm very humbled in representing our team here at Steel Plate Fabricators. We're a little bit overwhelmed of it. We work hard, and we tell our team each and every day that if you work hard, the good things come. And this is a result of that hard work that we provide not only to UCOR, but all of our customers.
Street Legal is a HUBZone certified firm. As such, we hire from low-income, high unemployment areas, and our primary office has to be located in one of those. The office we're in now is in Jefferson Court in Oak Ridge. When we moved in, the electrical system was not even grounded. Since that time, we have won the Oak Ridge Heritage Preservation Award for refurbishing the building, and all that money comes from our support, the support provided by our clients. That's our G&A, that's where it goes. Being part of the local community here allows us to interact with several organizations, ATIBA, ETAG, and all our employees, or at least our local employees, are part of the community. We all go to church together, we all play soccer, football together, whatever it is. And it builds a great spirit of camaraderie. We all share contact information for the success of all and the mission of the client. We all work together and to build a service center that supports the whole nation, other missions. Everyone knows how smart Oak Ridge is, and there's a lot of capabilities here.
We have been supplying industrial nuclear safety supplies in the Oak Ridge area and the southeast across the United States, so forth, for the past 29 years. It's very important for small businesses, especially small woman-owned businesses out there, to prosper with companies like UCOR, and we rely heavily on those. If it's not for companies like that, the small business, small woman-owned businesses, and so forth could not survive. They are a critical and vital part of our environments. I want to say I may run and operate Link Supply, but without my staff and my crew that we have here, none of this could have happened because we do have a great staff of people. And we have been blessed to have awesome customers.
First contract we had with UCOR, we worked under a general contractor doing overhead line work. Made some great friends there, great contacts with UCOR. Since then we have mainly bid several projects, performed there, and we also do labor support. It's been extremely important to us. Learning curve was huge. When I got the labor support, I could call and talk to anybody, trying to learn the ropes, how timesheets, contracts, improvising on the fly. It's really been great. And UCOR is very open to listening to our ideas. The openness to let us work with them and maybe take a lead on certain items or tasks. Their openness to work together to find a better way, whether it's mine, theirs, or a composite, it's been enjoyable.
We've worked with UCOR over 5 years and feel like we've really developed a really great relationship with UCOR, and being able to work with a few of the project managers where they actually realized that we could become a good service for them. But when you're small and you have you have everything at stake. Your passion is taking care of your customers. We like to say we're small but mighty. It's truly there's no star here. We're all relying on each other, and without each other, we would fall.
Being a service-disabled veteran-owned small business with HUBZone certification, we realize the importance of DOE and the contractors here in Oak Ridge making their small business goals. We formed ourselves to help them do that, and we have been quite successful in doing it. We have relationships with other small businesses here in Oak Ridge. We try to spread the wealth here in the community. The strength of the community is in the small businesses. The big businesses, they are located elsewhere. We are located here in the community. We spend our dollars here in the community, and our dollars go back to the community, and we support the community organizations. Our folks here are all professionals. They strive every day to make sure that what they do is exactly what their client and customer wants them to do. They will go to the ends of the earth to make sure that our folks are satisfied, that we get what they want when they want it.